Finding efficient ways to organize kitchen appliances starts with balancing storage and utility. First up is the SUPERJARE Kitchen Baker's Rack, a 4-tier stand designed to function as a coffee bar and microwave station. It is listed as having a built-in power strip with 2 outlets, allowing for easier placement of small appliances. This unit includes 6 S-shaped hooks for extra organization, making it a solid choice to save counter space. Next up is the Emerson Compact Countertop Microwave, offering 700 watts of power in a retro white finish. This model features 5 power levels and 8 auto menus for versatile cooking, along with a child safety lock. It differs from basic models by including a glass turntable and a clear LED display for precise timing. Finally, the Sharp Compact Countertop Microwave is another 700-watt option focusing on a modern aesthetic. It features a 10-inch removable carousel and updated LED interior lighting. This model is listed with a sleek gray interior and a white LED display, providing a contemporary look for smaller kitchens. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and availability as they change often, though the Baker's Rack is especially worth a look for organizational value.